This is 3rd grade math, GoMath, chapter 11, part 2 of the unit review. Problem number 4. The drawing shows Seth's plan for a fort in his backyard. Each unit square is 1 square foot. Which equations can Seth use to find the area of the fort? Mark all that apply. So if we look at the drawing, we have 4 rows and 7 columns. And area is equal to length times width, so 4 times 7. When we find the area, we get 28 square units. So 4 times 7 is 28 is an answer. And then we can immediately eliminate all of the other choices except for this one. Because we can also say 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 28. And that's what this expression means. 4 times 7, 4 groups of 7. So C and F are the answers there. Which rectangle has a number of square units for its area equal to the number of units for its perimeter? Area is equal to perimeter. Which one of these shapes has the area and the perimeter the same? Well, if you're not sure and you don't have an idea, start with A. And we have a 1 by 7, so we know the area is 7 units squared, or square units. Or we can do the perimeter 2 times 1 plus 2 times 7. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. So the perimeter is 16 units. So then let's look at B. We have 4 times 4. So our area is 4 times 4, or 16 units squared. I'm going to abbreviate that. And then the perimeter, we add all the sides, or we use the formula 2 times length plus 2 times the width. So we have 2 times 4 plus 2 times 4. Or if we add them up, or because they're all 4s, we can say 4 times 4. We're going to end up with the perimeter being the same number, different units, but the same number. So we have 16 and 16. So B is our answer choice for that one. And if you weren't sure of that, or if you went over here to C, you have a 2 by 6, so the area would be 12 units squared. And the perimeter would be 2 times 2, which is 4. 2 times 6 is 12. The perimeter would be 16 here. For D, you have a 3 by 5, so the area would be 15 units squared. And the perimeter would be, I'll go ahead and write it out, 2 times 3 plus 2 times 5. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 5 is 10. So your perimeter is still 16 there, 16 units. So notice that in each of these examples, the perimeter is 16, but the area is different. So the one that has the same area and same perimeter is the square, letter B. Problem number 6. Vanessa uses a ruler to draw a square. The perimeter of the square is 12 centimeters. And notice we're talking about perimeter. Select a number to complete the sentence. So we're looking for a total of 12. And we know that the perimeter has to equal 12. And because it's a square, all of these are equal. So right here where we said 4 sides times a unit of 4, we're going to say 4 sides times what number would give me 12? Well, when you look down here, our first one is 3. So if we make all of these sides 3 centimeters long, and 4 times 3, does that equal 12? Yes, 12 equals 12, and so that's our answer. That's the end of review for part 2.